Hey, this is Eddie with Workman Firearms. Today, I'll be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble the Glock 43X. Like all the other videos I've done with disassembly, reassembly with the Glock, it's very simple, very easy. Let me show you how to do it. Come on. So the first thing you want to do before you work on this firearm is you always want to clear it. Remove that source of ammunition and then lock your slide to the rear. From here, physically and visually inspect your chamber, inspect your magazine well, then one last time, physically and visually inspect that chamber. Alright, your firearm's clear. Once you send your slide forward, I want you to press in your trigger. We're going to press in our trigger, and using an overhand grasp, wrap your 3 fingers around the slide. You're going to pull back the slide 1/8 of an inch, just so you align the divot with the frame with the front end of your slide. Now once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to pull down on your slide lock simultaneously with both fingers using like a pincer grasp. Pull down. Once you pull down, you're just going to push your slide forward. Your slide will come right off. You can set down your frame. Now from here, we're going to remove your recoil spring assembly. Remove your barrel. Then you can set your slide down. Now your firearm has been completely disassembled, otherwise known as field strip. From here, you can do preventive maintenance on it, you can clean it, or you can just inspect the overall functionality and the quality of the firearm. Once you've done that, now we're going to put it back together. Grab your barrel, you're going to drop it back into your slide, push it back to the breech. From there, pick up your recoil spring assembly, you're going to set it in there. Using your thumb, you're going to use a forward and downwards pressure, locking it into your barrel lug. You always want to check alignment. Once you've checked alignment and your recoil spring is nice and snug in the barrel lug, it's going to be the crescent moon portion of that barrel lug. Then you can pick up your frame again, grab your slide, and now we're going to line in your slide up with your frame rails. Just like so. From there, slowly slide your slide back onto your frame and then give it a nice rack. From there, we're going to perform a function check just to make sure that we did properly reassemble the firearm. Rack that slide again, press your trigger in, make sure that you hear a click. Once you've heard the click, hold that trigger to the rear and rack the slide a second time. From here, slowly release, listening for the reset. Alright, you put your firearm back together correctly. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.